Pumpkin has the power to penetrate deep into skin to provide many benefits. It's full of the antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin C, that both help to soften and soothe dry skin. Pumpkin also boosts collagen production, which keeps skin from looking cracked and scaly. Pumpkin can provide many benefits, including antioxidants. Pumpkins contain antioxidants like vitamin C that help fight free radicals and prevent skin damage from UV rays and pollution. Exfoliating enzymes. Pumpkin enzymes break down dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. This gentle exfoliation is good for sensitive skin. Anti-aging. Pumpkin contains alpha hydroxy acids AHAs, which increase cell turnover and promote collagen production. This can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Deep cleansing. Pumpkin puree contains minerals like zinc and copper that can help brighten dark spots and control acne. Hydration. Pumpkin polysaccharides can help retain skin hydration. Soothes dry skin. Pumpkins contain vitamin A and C, which can help soften and soothe dry skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which aids in the healing process of our skin from harsh ingredients. Yogurt can make your skin feel fresh, new, and rid your face of impurities. But before trying it out, make sure you test out the yogurt on your skin first. Vitamin E skincare. People with dry or dehydrated skin. Those looking to protect their skin from environmental damage. Individuals concerned about signs of premature aging.